6 is looking into the governor's latest response to the growing positivity rate and how it compares to other states. The governor spoke today in Volusia County. News 6's investigator Louis Bolden was there.
This was Governor Ron DeSantis at a press conference yesterday talking about the positivity rates of people being tested for coronavirus.
You know, obviously you've seen a higher percentage test positive now, but just understand some of those states were testing at 60, 70%. So, you know, we've been now 10 to 15.
The governor made a similar claim today using different numbers.
It's not like everyone's testing 50, 60% like we saw in other parts of the country.
We tried to get him to elaborate.
Governor, we have one more question. Governor, you mentioned yesterday that some states were testing at 60 to 70% positivity rates. Can you tell us which states those are?
At the height of the pandemic.
And also, I have one more question for you. We have people.
We did some digging and found New York had a positivity rate of about 50% in April, according to The Gothamist, a local community website. And California had the same in April, according to this article from the San Francisco Chronicle. But because the governor did not name a state, we give his claim, be careful on the trust index. And this is the governor at a press conference last week talking about the lower number of coronavirus cases in May versus today.
I mean, I would do press events in May. I would never be asked about coronavirus. It was about, all these other things.
The governor says the media wasn't asking him about the virus, so the public thought it was over. But News 6 counted 18 press conferences the governor had in the month of May. All of those pressers were either about the coronavirus or he was asked about the virus. When we tried to ask him questions about testing today, he refused to answer.
And also, I have one more question for you. We have people in Central Florida, Governor, we have people in Central Florida who are lining up as early as 1 o'clock in the morning to get a test, Governor, but they tell us the turnaround time is 7 to 10 days. Can you tell us, is there anything that can be done to cut down the turnaround time? Governor.
On the turnaround time.
Governor, can you answer my question, please?
We give the governor's comments about media coverage not true on the trust index.
That was Louis Bolden reporting. We posted this story, and where you can share something you want verified, just head to clickorlando.com/trustindex.